log of 512 to the base 8. That is equal to question. What does this indicate? This indicate 8 should be multiplied how many times so as to get the number 512. That means 8 into 8 up to x times. So we are multiplying 8x times. Then we will get the result 512. Right. So we can write LHS as 8 raised to x, that is equal to 512. 512 is equal to 8 raised to 3. Okay, 8 into 8 into 8 is 512. Now 8 raised to x is equal to 8 raised to 3. Now comparing the powers in LHS and RHS, we will get x is equal to 3. So the exponent is equal to 3. So by using this property, we can write this as log base 8. Base 8, then the number is 8 cube. Right, 8 cube. Now the answer is 3. This 3 will jump to here. So this is equal to 3 into log 8 to the base 8. And we know that log of any number to that number, the answer is equal to 1. So the value of this term is equal to 1. So this is equal to 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Okay. Consider another question. Log of 81 to the base 3 is equal to question. Right. We can do this problem in this manner. That means 3 raised to x, that is equal to 81. This is the exponential representation of the number. Or 3 raised to x is equal to 3 raised to 4. 81 is 3 raised to 4. 3 is multiplying 4 times. Now comparing the powers or exponent of LHS and RHS, this implies x is equal to 4. Alright. Now by using this technique, we can write log 81 to the base 3 is equal to log 3 raised to 4 to the base 3. Now this 4 will jump to here. So that is equal to 4 into log 3 to the base 3. And value of this term is equal to 1. So this is equal to 4 into 1. That is equal to 4. Okay. Now consider log 125 to the base 5. So we can write directly this is equal to log 125 can be write as 5 cube to the base 5. Now the 3 jumped to here. So this is equal to 3 into log 5 to the base 5. This value is equal to 1. This is equal to 3. In general, so we can conclude, in general, log x raised to y to the base a, this is equal to, this y will jump to here, y into log of x to the base a. Okay. This is one of the important property. Log 10,000. One more zero is required. To the base 10. We can write this is equal to log of 10 raised to 4. That is 10,000. To the base 10. Now this 4 will jump to here. So this is equal to 4 into log 10 to the base 10. This term is equal to 1. So this is the answer is equal to 4. So by using logarithmic representation, a number 10,000 can be reduced into 4. So that is a rule for simplifying some calculation. So we can represent 10,000 in logarithmic form as 4. So the number is reduced. That is one of the advantage of using logarithm. Now log 4 to the base root 2 is equal to question. What does this indicate? How many times root 2 is multiplied so as to get 4? So we can write in exponential form as root 2 raised to x, that is equal to 4. 4 means 2 into 2. Again 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. This 2 is again root 2 into root 2. So this is equal to root 2 raised to 4. That means root 2 raised to x is equal to root 2 raised to 4. Now comparing the powers, that indicate x is equal to 4. So the answer for this question is 4. Okay. Now log 125 to root 5 is equal to question. We can write this as root 5 raised to x, that is equal to 125. Root 5 means 5 raised to 1 by 2. So this can be written as 5 raised to x by 2 is equal to 125 is equal to 5 cube. 5 cube. Now comparing the powers, that indicates x by 2 is equal to 3 or x is equal to 6. That is 3 into 2. Now consider log 5 to the base 1 by 5 is equal to question. We can write this as 1 by 5 raised to x is equal to 5. Okay, 1 by 5 means 5 raised to minus 1 all raised to x is equal to 5 or 5 raised to minus x is equal to 5. 5 is 5 raised to 1. Now comparing the power, minus x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 1. Right. Now log 1 by 93 to the base 1 by 93 is equal to question. Now 1 by 93 raised to x, that is equal to 1 by 93. That indicates x is equal to 1. This is 1 by 3 raised to 1. That means log of any number n to the base same number, answer should be 1. Okay. Log of 1 to the base 2 is equal to question. Okay, we can write this in exponential form as 2 raised to x is equal to 1. That means 1 is equal to 2 raised to 0 is equal to 2 raised to 0. Now comparing the powers, x is equal to 0. Okay, so log of 1 to the base 2 is 0. Now consider another base, that is log of 1 to the base 100 is equal to question. This indicates 100 raised to x is equal to 1. That means this is equal to 1 can be represented as 100 raised to 0 or x is equal to 0. So log of 1 to any base, the answer is always 0. So we can conclude log of 1 to any base n is equal to 0. This is very important result.